So today I took one trade, one winner. Um, it was a decent trade. I only took it with one contract though because I wasn't too sure about my entry. So going into today, there was a overlapping lower relationship on TPO, but there was a big rally up here, and the trend seems to have shifted. So here I closed above R1, so I was looking at more of a bullish trend. And then these pivots were getting more and more narrow. So today's pivot was very, very narrow. So I was expecting, well, not expecting, but there was a probability that there could be a breakout type of day. Same thing on the cams here. It was getting more narrow, and there was an inside relationship, so there could be a breakout type of day today. So I was kind of thinking about it, a breakout type of day, but it seemed like market was going to open up inside value area. So I was just thinking of shorting value area high or long value area low. But just a few minutes before, it decided to open up above value and above H3. So then my plan shifted to taking a bounce at value area high up to H4 and yesterday's high. So that's kind of what I was looking at. 4 minutes before market open, it's breaking above value area high. So I said I need to be careful not to rush a pullback. But it was kind of hard not to. So that's the trade I took. Right after market open, it came into value area high, and it very quickly bounced. And I just didn't have enough time to catch it here. So I was entering up here, but I thought it was maybe it could be a chase or something. So I did not like that entry too much, so I entered with one contract. So on the tape here, we see that value area high is 69.53. So 53 is right here. I'm waiting for it to come back and retest here so I can get some confirmations and go long, but not much yet. But it does come into 53, and then it forms this kind of a B shape here, but doesn't spend that much time there. There was also the PUC at the bottom here, at the lows, and it just quickly bounces. So I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking maybe if a retest here, but it just quickly shoots up. And I'm like, did I miss that? Maybe I missed it. Now there's a B shape there, POC down at the lows. And so then I was looking for a retest back into these buying imbalances here, which I really liked, at 57. But it never really came down and tested that. But what did end up happening is, let's see, there was a delta divergence forming bullish here at the 2 minute, although it didn't end that way. And then on the next candle, same thing, delta divergence bullish. So I entered with one contract here with the stop below 60s. Yeah, that was, I mean, I don't know. I had my confirmations down here and the buying imbalances. So, I mean, what was I chasing? I don't know. Hard to say. Maybe I chased a little bit, but I just couldn't find an entry here. It was forming a delta divergence here, so there were some bars here. Another one formed here, so, I mean, that was kind of a confirmation to go long. But the context of it being a breakout type of day because of the narrow pivots and opening above value area high here gave me more conviction to go long here. And it eventually went to my target of H5 and R2 here, 69.85, and yeah, there was a good amount of consolidation along the way. It seems like there was buyers were supporting 74, so if it was getting under 74, then I didn't want to, but it kind of got under 74 here, or got to like 73, but held that, buyers held that, and then proceeded to, came down to 71, and then it proceeded to break the highs and go and hit my target here. So, not a bad trade. Maybe it was a little bit of a chase, but yeah, no, better entry would have been here, but couldn't catch that. It was too fast. So not bad for the conditions it gave me.